Re-electionist Senator Alan Peter Cayetano is not bothered by the smear campaign launched by some members of the Catholic Church against supporters of the RH law. However, he appeals to them to consider the programs of the administration to alleviate the life of the poor. George Bandola filed this report.
Senator Alan Peter Cayetano respects the churchmen on their right to express against those who supported the reproductive health law. Cayetano says while he does not support the tag Team Patay made by the church supporters, he also does not support the COMELEC's position to tear down those posters in every Team Pinoy campaign sortie.
Hindi ko sinusuportahan ang COMELEC na tanggalin ang mga posters na yon kasi karapatan nila yon. Ang pakiusap ko lang sa kanila, bigyan din kami oras na kilalanin din kami at yung mga values namin, di ba? Kung imbitahan kami doon, mag-e-explain kami. Pero dun sa puntong tigilan sila, may kanya-kanya tayong opinion. So hindi man ako sangayon sa kanilang opinion, ipaglalaban ko na ang opinion nila, ilagay man nila sa social network, ibunyag sa media o ilagay nila, yan ang talaga.
Cayetano appeals that the church should look into more programs by the administration to help alleviate people from poverty.
Yun lang naman pakiusap ko din sa lahat ng sektor, kasama ang simbahan. Huwag lang isang bill ang tignan natin kabuuan na ginagawa ng mga nag-a-apply sa trabaho, no? Sa Senado man, Kongreso o sa local government.
On his listening tour leg, Cayetano paid a visit to some construction workers in Makati City. In a dialogue, Cayetano was made familiar with the workers' issue.
Tinanong ko sa kanila, kung presidente kaharap nyo at may isa kayong hingin, taas sahod. Sabi ko, hindi, pagka-programa. It's the usual pa rin yung pagkain, presyo ng pagkain, halos wala sa kanila nakakapag-check up kahit na meron silang PhilHealth card.
For People's Television, George Bandola.